To celebrate the Halloween holiday, I locked myself in my room for the majority of the weekend watching horror movies and annoying everyone with my tweets and Facebook updates. I would continue the annoyance by sharing my stream of updates through the weekend. You will find random thoughts and quotes related to the films that I saw. So, if you feel up to it, read on. To start, here are the movies I watched: Monster Squad, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Demons 2, Dead Snow, Night of the Demons, Faces of Death, Trick or Treat, Castle Freak, Laid to Rest, Opera, The Rocky Horror Picture Show, and finally The Thing. Here is the stream. Sorry for the lack of timestamps, but I doubt you really need them. First movie on the hit list, Monster Squad. Read. Or We Were All Gonna Die. This is great. This is German. Who thought it was a good idea to put a lit candle on a nightstand next to a girl scared of the storm? Never see that today. 3 words, scary. German. Guy. The end of that scene with SGG was great with the zoom in on his tattoo. Creature stole my Twinkie. My name is Horace. The Emmy for Texas Chainsaw Massacre, the original. Honestly. Did anyone actually like Franklin? Awesome. He's smacking with a broom. I had forgotten just how intense this movie was. That weird scraping / whining sound is amazing. And man, does Marilyn Burns have a set of lungs, or what? Get her. Hit her, Grandpa. Why didn't the semi-driver take off after they got back in the cab? Seems like they had enough time at the glorious chainsaw dance to the sudden stop. Amazing movie. I had been too long. Next up, the Argento / Bava team-up Demons 2. I'd watch the first, but we'll be seeing it on the big screen next weekend. Don't want to ruin the experience. It's perfectly normal for insects to be slightly telepathic. Dumb kid answers the phone, says mommy and daddy aren't home, and he is alone. Says bye and hangs up. Deserves what he gets. Dumb parents. Now this is how ya party. Demon style looks like the borrowed TH acid blood from Alien. K. A metal pole didn't break the glass. What makes you think a potted plant will? I must say this is not the best. It has a few moments, but that's about it. Cool shot up the stairwell with all the demons coming down. Alright, Demons 2 is over. Will be out the next few hours. Not sure what I will watch next, but Faces of Death will be on later. Home from the awesome haunted mansion. The Moviethon will be resuming shortly. Stand by. Next up on the horror hit list, Dead Snow. These med students know how to have fun in the snow. Standard creepy guy pops up out of nowhere to impart knowledge of the local evil. Of course, the kids didn't take it too seriously. Random outhouse sex scene. There's something outside. I think it may only be a head. Nazis. Zombies. Good lord, they ripped his head in half. Haven't seen it quite like that before. Amaretto and Coke, some candy, and Nazi zombies. Dead Snow has an underground escape that looks very similar to one in Descent. It's your fault for sneaking up on him. Next up, Night of the Demons. I don't need your help, you damn little whore. Are you dating her for her personality, or because she has big cha-chas? Nice shot of the broken mirror with all the reflections. Oh yeah. I had my first double down tonight. It was pretty dang good. That lipstick gag is always awesome. Run, Judy, run. See Judy run. We have to get over the underground stream. How about a little Faces of Death? I've seen some of this stuff on Strange Foods. I like the cheery music played in the slaughterhouse scene. Some of this stuff is ridiculous. Faces of Death is an interesting TME capsule of a past era, not as shocking as it once was. Oh my, what an absolutely corny ending. Am I really seeing this? I guess I'm. Alright, that concludes our broadcast day. Be sure to tune in tomorrow to read what I see. I know it's terribly exciting. Trick or treat. Hell yeah, Charlie Brown's an asshole. Billy Wilkins, she's not a retard, she's an idiot savant. Man, kids can be so mean. What happened to you, Macy? You'll learn. This is an amazing werewolf transformation sequence. One of the best. So, he was the bus driver? Poor guy, really messed him up. Had a great mummy costume. Trick or Treat is an awesome movie and a new Halloween classic. Castle Freak is on now. You sell, and then you go. Soon. That was a less than thrilling car crash. There is someone else in the castle. The cat told me so. That Castle Freak is a bit of a perv, ain't he? Poor Jeffrey Combs. Has sex with a prostie, but doesn't realize at first. What can I say? the freak likes the ladies. The Duchess never killed her boy, just whipped him and gave him bread while chained in the basement. Nice. I didn't kill her. Cat her. Okay, Yano, the freak isn't such a bad guy, he was just raised that way. Castle freak is over now, giving, laid to rest ago. Chick wakes up in a coffin in a funeral home. Sounds like quite a party. Are you from the police? She asks the guy in the chrome skull mask. Hey. Lena Headey's in this hollow SHT, that was pretty brutal. Feta head with a twist. Wow. That dude's face got sliced off. The kills in this flick are nasty. He wants to make me dead. No way, I'm not getting murdered tonight. I have a funeral tomorrow. I have things to do. This movie is pretty good. Slasher that doesn't concern itself with killer origins, rather sticks to survival mode. We've hit the dull part. Damn, he just sawed her head off. I'm really digging Laid to Rest. Wish I didn't wait this long to check it out. Piggy takes too long. Should I come in and make roast beef? Who knew you could use emergency tire inflator to inflate and blow up a human head? Wow, death by glue, never seen that before. Shouldn't we wait for the police? No, I left a note. Laid to Rest was a pretty badass slasher. Now for Argento's opera. That crow has an afro. Why is Lady Macbeth holding a gun in an opera? What do you suppose it is? Frog slime, yuck, needles on a strip of tape right below the eyes, follow that with a knife to the jaw. Talk about painful, Argento is nothing if not a stylish bloke. Choked then stabbed with scissors, then scissors used to fish a bracelet out of the mouth. Ouch, shot through the peephole. That'll teach her. Argento has some great style. I need to watch more of his classics. Nice, use the birds to flush out the bad guy. This is a mix of Phantom of the Opera and Birds. He's not dead, he's alive. He's here. Run, for God's sake, run, WTF? Running the German Hills Sound of Music style to a metal song leading to the final showdown. I liked opera, but it is no Suspiria. Time to change gears. Rocky Horror Picture Show on Blue. Let's do the time warp again. Damn it, Janet, there's a light over at the Frankenstein place. It's just a jump to the left. By night I'm one hell of a lover. Such a bizarre and wacky movie. Awesome, I've tasted blood and I want more. Creature of the night. When Eddie said he didn't like his teddy, you knew he was a no good kid. A mental minf can be nice. There they go, leaving Earth to return to the planet Transsexual in the Transylvanian galaxy. The great Rocky Horror is over, one more movie to fit in. This year's finale is The Thing. I had no idea Ennio Morricone did the music for The Thing. Awesome. What an awesome title reveal. It has been way too long since I have seen this. And wow, this Blu-ray looks great. Danger, tail rotor poor jog, the practical effects are amazing. Wish we could get more modern films to go this route. There is something great and tangible to them. I wonder if The Thing prequel will dupe any of the footage shown in this film for consistency. My gut says no. I want McCrady's hat. So Nick Nolte and Jeff Bridges turned the lead down. I'm happy. Cannot picture anyone other than Kurt Russell. This Blu-ray is just really good looking. I'm all better. Now you gotta let me come back inside. That chest opening and arm biting was awesome. That head thing is just unsettling. You have to love practical effects. I'd be scared too. They really don't make them like this anymore, and that's a shame. Fire and explosions are beautiful in high definition. Maybe I should watch a Michael Bay movie, and it is over. Great effects, wonderfully ominous score, and that great ambiguous ending. With it, the 2010 horror movie marathon is over. 12 movies watched, 1 haunted house break, and good times had by me.